The battery warning light on your dashboard is one of the most misunderstood indicators. Contrary to popular belief, this light doesn't necessarily mean your battery is failing. Instead, the battery warning light indicates a problem with your car's charging system. This means your battery isn't receiving the correct voltage while the engine is running. Understanding voltage levels is crucial. During normal operation, your charging system should maintain 13.8 to 14.4 volts. The warning light typically activates when voltage drops below 13.5 volts, indicating your charging system isn't working properly. Your car's charging system includes the alternator, battery, and various electrical connections. When any component fails, the battery warning light alerts you to the problem. The most common cause is a failing alternator, responsible for 60 to 70% of cases. Belt issues account for 15 to 20%, while wiring problems cause 10 to 15% of failures. Surprisingly, actual battery failure only accounts for 5 to 10% of battery warning light cases. This is why proper diagnosis is essential. This is critical. Ignoring the battery warning light can lead to complete electrical failure, potentially leaving you stranded. Address this warning immediately to avoid costly repairs and dangerous situations. When your battery warning light activates, taking immediate action can prevent a complete breakdown and costly repairs. First, immediately reduce your electrical load. Turn off air conditioning, radio, and any unnecessary lights to preserve remaining battery power. Monitor your voltage gauge if your vehicle has one. Normal charging voltage should be between 13.8 and 14.4 volts while the engine is running. Most importantly, seek professional service immediately. Do not attempt long-distance driving, as complete electrical failure typically occurs within 30 to 60 minutes. When you reach a service facility, technicians will perform a comprehensive diagnostic process to identify the exact cause of your charging system problem. The first test is a voltage measurement using a digital multimeter. This checks if the alternator is producing the correct charging voltage of 13.8 to 14.4 volts. A load test applies an electrical load equal to 50% of the battery's cold cranking amp rating for 15 seconds to verify the battery can maintain proper voltage under stress. Technicians also perform visual inspections of critical components. They check the serpentine belt for wear, battery terminals for corrosion, and wiring harnesses for damage. Modern diagnostic tools have revolutionized charging system troubleshooting. Advanced scanners can pinpoint specific component failures, while smart battery management systems provide real-time performance data. Regular maintenance can prevent most charging system failures. Monthly visual inspections and annual professional testing after 3 years can identify problems before they leave you stranded. Statistics show that 85% of unexpected battery failures can be prevented through regular testing, extending average battery life to over 4 years with proper maintenance.